I see. Right, here we are, back on the boat on a lovely sunny day. There's a fit young man there. Look at him. Hey, look at that. Right, we've got the steel set up because we've got to make some lockers on here now. You can see that chalk line, that's roughly the size of the lockers, one each side. We can put all these Christmas presents in there. Father Christmas here. Right, so we're going to cut some steel and smash it up. Right, first part's in. Let's have a look. We've got an angle line across the top to keep it nice and rigid. It's just simply a rectangle welded to the floor. So that's what I'll do next, get that welded in. That if you don't put strap on it somehow, and I put a couple of tabs at bottom, you can see there and there, and that will keep it straight, because if you just welded straight along that without any brackets, some way of keeping it straight, it'll just bend all over. And Dave's there, just been to the pump out, empty his toilet and it's not working. We had to use a bucket and chuck it in cup. Kidding. That's it then, we're welded up. First one's welded up, there's the top to make yet. And internally we've got 3 brackets on to keep it steady while it's welded. And all the way up there and along there. That's that first one in. Repeat now on this side. And then we're going to have one across here. So you end up with 3 lockers. Right, and a nice seating area around it. So I'll get the next one all cut up and everything and on, and then come back after that. Right, carrying on here. With Father Christmas on board. Still going to be a busy man. Really? Right, we have these water inlets to go in. So one's going on there, and the other one will go down here, straight out of the boat, so you can fill it up easy. So we're just drilling them with these hole cutters. We just need to get that. So we'll clean that off. We need to clean that paint off of that, where we're going to weld up there. And any other bits in here we want to flatten out and that before we... If you want to get your rod ready, I'll get the angle grinder on that. Yeah. There's a bit of a smell down. Yeah. Some snot of here stuck on and stuff like that. Right, I'll get it one well. Do you want to cut it like that well? Oh, well, yeah, get that cleaned up and we'll have a cut. Yeah. Get this ready. Here we are again, Sunday morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Right, we've got one locker hinged up there. We've got the other one on. Pete's just putting the nuts and bolts on that. And then we've got this front locker to do the same with a lid. And that'll be about it, apart from the painting. So we'll get on with that and come back in a bit. Right, we're on the last leg here. He's drilling for the last hinges down here. And then we've got to put it on there. And that's it. These have got the hinges on. There's just this one. That's the job done. As far as I'm concerned anyway. It's lots of painting to do. Yeah. Now, party weather here. That's welded up. Am I happy? Right, yeah, it just started raining on us, it's getting black. So I'm going to get these tools put away and then we'll have a tidy up in here and put those hinges on. That's it. As far as I'm concerned, it's all done. Hinged working. So it now needs a good paint job on. So, see you all next time. Ta-ra!